gorgeous. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. This video, you see in the title, we know what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be creating a makeup look using all of these Mina goodies. I did a review video about Mina makeup before. I actually reviewed their Eyeliner kit, the 5 different eyeliners. So this video, I thought I'm gonna create a makeup look, like full-on makeup look, using all the Mina makeup that I have in here. All these goodies in here, you can actually win it. I mean the brand new ones, not the ones that I'm using today. If you're wondering how, all the rules are in my Instagram post. I'm gonna link my Instagram just here so you guys can check it out on how to win this. So yeah, let's create a makeup look using these goodies. Let's see what we have. So that's the reason why I'm not wearing a makeup just yet. So I think we can start with the eyes, as I always start my makeup from the eyes and then I'll do the rest of the face. Okay, now if you've been following my channel for a while, you already know this, but I have extremely oily skin, hooded eyes, meaning that any cream product will automatically crease. There's no chance it will survive 24 hours. So I think we should check the 24-hour cream eyeshadow. So I have a shade called 532. For those who don't know, by the way, Mina is cruelty-free and vegan-friendly brand. It looks so beautiful. I love the shade. It's like a bronzy golden shade. Okay, let's just try it. Wow. Okay. You could actually use this as a highlighter. So it's a creamy eyeshadow, but then it blends to the powder kinda. Yeah, I don't know how to explain this. Like it just blends into kinda like a powdery finish, but then not really. Look at that glow. Okay. I think we should just, try this, right? So as I'm not wearing any makeup yet, I'm gonna quickly prep and prime my eyelids. Hooded eyes and oily skin. Plus, prepping your eyelids makes the eyeshadow last longer. Just setting quickly a bit of this setting powder. First, I'm gonna use my finger and then we can try and blend in with the makeup brush, maybe. Ooh. Okay. It starts kind of like a cream, but then blends very seamlessly. Like it's extremely easy to blend. Very flattering shade as well, would suit any eye color as well. I'm just blending with a clean brush. Wow, it actually lets me blend with a brush. So really love the formula. Extremely easy to use. Easy to blend. Like creams are not really easy to blend usually, but this is another story. Love it. Okay, another item you can win in this amazing giveaway is the 24-hour pen eyeliner 900. This one is in the color black. I reviewed the Mina eyeliners in my previous videos. I'm gonna link it in here so you guys can check it out. But this eyeliner, then they say 24 hours. They not joking, trust me. I tried it. I've been wearing this nearly daily. It's extremely easy to use because it's a pen. Pen eyeliners are always easy to use just because you are used to drawing, writing and so on with a pen. Very easy to use, extremely pigmented, lasts all day, perfect for oily skin like mine because it doesn't bleed, doesn't crumble. So I'm just gonna create wings using this eyeliner. Okay, eyeliner is on. I think after we're gonna finish makeup look, maybe I'm gonna add in a little inner eye corner, but we can do this later when we have foundation and all on. Next step is mascara. So for this look, I'm gonna use the Mina, the Definition Mascara waterproof one. I absolutely love this mascara band. If you've been following me for a while, you guys would know that I'm a sucker for the silicone brushes rather than convenient bristle brush. Plus, I love it. It's like a dual side. You have a longer bristles and then a shorter bristles, which helps to catch every single little lash. Plus, because it's a waterproof mascara, it stays on all day. There's no little dots or bleeding, crumbling, fallouts or anything like this. So it's perfect if you, like me, have oily skin and hooded eyes. I feel like this mascara is giving length as well. This lashes just looks longer. Just look at my lashes sideways. Can you see how long it is? I'm gonna quickly jump in and apply the foundation, and then I'm gonna come back to use and we can finish off this makeup look, use some bronzer, lippy, and so on. So yeah, I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I did a foundation, setting powder, and so on. Let's go with bronzer. So I have this bronzer by Mina, the Glow Bronzer Powder 621. Just look at the packaging. Love this packaging. Love that it comes with the mirror. It's like a baked highlighter bronzer. Ooh, okay. Loving this. For me, this is more like the highlighter rather than the bronzer. I would want this to be slightly bit darker to be my bronzer. So I think I'm just gonna use this as a highlighter, but oh my god, this looks amazing. Ooh, that's a lot of product, you guys. Ooh, look at that glow. Ooh, loving this. Okay, love this. Cute little. Oh my god, you guys, I absolutely love this. Wow, okay. Yeah, let's do in the eye corner of this. Okay, we're nearly ready, guys. Okay, so I said I'm gonna use a little bit of the eyeliner for in the eye corner, so let's just do that. Okay, so I'm gonna do lips, setting spray, and then we can do the lower lash line. So for the lippy, I have really nice color actually, so the kind of nudish eyes will match. So I have the long wear lipstick in 250, and obviously it's a lipstick, but it's actually a lip cream, like liquid lip cream. Gorgeous shade, and it's a long wear. Dream. Oh my god, smells so nice. Wow, okay. Wow, this shade, you guys. Wow. As you've seen, I didn't use a lip liner. I went in straight away with a lipstick because this band, it has like a little curve, but the tip is very precise. So this makes very easy to line the lips. Extremely easy to use, you guys. As you've seen, I went straight away in. No liner, no nothing, and yeah, it feels amazing on the lips. Dries quite fast, so it's a matte lipstick. It's not, you know, glossy or anything like this, but it doesn't dry my lips at all. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna use the setting spray. They call it fixing spray. So it says 3-in-1 makeup fixing spray that primes, fixes, and refreshes the skin. I could have used it as a primer. Why I didn't? Oh well, my bad. I'm gonna use it as a setting spray. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay, let's just do the lower lash line and then the makeup look is complete. And our makeup look is complete. What do you think, guys? Yeah, what what do you guys think of this makeup look? If you're gonna go and recreate this, please, please, please tag me in your pictures. I absolutely love to see your recreations. Always makes my day. Have you tried anything from a makeup brand Mina yet? The makeup that I tried today, well, I'm not gonna lie, I love all the products, and if you've been following me for a while, you guys know how honest I am with all my reviews. No matter if a brand is sponsoring me, if the products are gifted or not, I'm always super honest with you and always tell my opinion. So these products that I tried today, I love all. The cream eyeshadow actually surprised me the most. It's just because it's a cream, I have extra hooded eyes and oily skin and cream eyeshadows usually doesn't really sit nicely with me. It usually crumbles and kind of moves into the crease, so kind of separates. But hey, nothing happened so far, at least. Well, it would be by this time. Mascara, the palm, this bronzer. I prefer to use this as a highlighter rather than a bronzer, but I know some people like more dewy look because I'm more on the matte side, so this is already a lot of glow for me. The eyeliner, the bomb. Been using this for a while, lasts forever, trust me. The lippy, oh my god, it doesn't stick my lips together. It feels nicely on the lips. It's matte and I love matte lipsticks. I'm a bit lipstick holic. If you follow me, you know. If you wonder how to win my birthday giveaway that I partnership with Mina, go and check out my Instagram. All the details are in there. You're gonna win a brand new bundle, not the one I'm using today. So you can go and recreate this makeup look or give to someone you love and, you know, share some love. Why not? So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more. Very important part. I always say this because it's so important. You're gonna support me majorly. It doesn't cost you a penny. It's not painful or anything. All you need to do is press the button. Let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see more on my channel. More reviews, more tutorials. What's your vibe? Yeah, talk to me and I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao for now.